The Pierce tool will only be relevant if you have the Piercing Premium Accessory Pack. To turn a shape into a piercing design, though, is very simple. Just select the shape that you want to apply the piercing pattern to, click Edit, Object Edit, and then tap on the piercing outline. Click the button marked On, set the spacing and click OK. That will then apply the piercing design to the shape or shapes that you had selected. It has also automatically assigned the piercing tool function to this particular shape. So, when you move on to cut, draw or pierce, the pierce design won't appear if you choose cut or draw. It will only appear when you choose the pierce function. The piercing tool itself will be covered in a separate video.